Want to earn in pounds from TikTok? Nigerians are opening UK TikTok accounts. Here is how you can do it too. Stop scrolling. Here is how you can open a UK TikTok account here in Nigeria and earn in pounds without VPN. If you are in Nigeria and you want to make money in pounds using TikTok, you need to create a UK account, and I'm going to teach you how you can create a UK account in 3 easy steps. Your international TikTok account, make sure that you already have a new email account that you have never used on any of the TikTok before. So you have to create a new email. When you create a new email, click on this 3 dots line here up here, click on it, and then you go to setting and privacy down here, click on it, and then I've already opened the one I want to open now, but I'm going to do experiment. You scroll down to switch account. When you scroll down to switch account, you have to click on this add account here. When you click on add account, it's going to take you to this interface. So the first thing you are going to do is look at this Nigeria down here. This Nigeria, you double tap it and then put any country of your choice. So I'm putting United Kingdom, and when you are done with it, then you click on, don't use phone number and don't use email, use Google. Okay, so you click on continue with Google, this one, click on it, and when you see that location have changed to United Kingdom, so you make use of the particular email that you want to use. So let's assume I want to open with, I've already opened anyway, so but let's assume I want to open with that. So what I'm going to do is, after clicking on the email, you fill in your date of birth, and after filling your date of birth, let me just use this. Okay, let me just, for the sake of, let it just be that this person have already old or something like that, let me just use this. So then you put your date of birth. You put your date of birth, and then you click on continue. Okay, and then if you want to change the name, you can change your name and create a unique unique nickname. But if you don't want, you can click on continue. All right, then when you click on continue, you have already created your international TikTok account just like that. And then what we are going to do here is this. Now you click on this 3 dots line. You can click on this edit profile to edit, arrange your bio anyhow as you want it. Then I'm going to delete this account because I already have multiple. You have already seen it. So you click on this setting and privacy here, and then go to accounts, and let's cross check something. Click on account information up here. You can see that it is in United Kingdom. Are you seeing it? Now let's go back. We're experimenting something. Then you click on balance. Let's go back. Click on the same 3 dots line. Go to balance, and let's see if actually is in naira or in pounds. Are you seeing it? Is in pounds, already in pounds. Okay, now I want to experiment the last one. Click on the same 3 dots line, go to setting and privacy, and then you scroll down to TikTok. Well, okay, sorry my dear, sorry. So click on the same 3 dots line, you go to TikTok Studio, and let's see the monetization tools that are there as a fresh account that I just opened. Okay, we have service, we have subscription. Subscription is already in Nigeria own. So TikTok shop for seller is not in Nigeria, is in UK account. Creator reward program is in UK account. Creator marketplace is in UK account. Work with artists in Nigeria own as well. Life incentive program is, do you see it? Even if you click all, you can see as many as, there are a lot of them. So this is for you to know that you are already in UK account. So let's switch over to Nigerian account. You can see the difference yourself. So right now we are in our Nigerian account, and when you go to click here, TikTok Studio, right now you are gonna see that the monetization tools are not that much. Look at work with artists, subscription, live service, and video gifts. That is all. TikTok shop is not there. That is all you can see. There is no other one. That is just all you can see, no other one. So, and when you click on accounts, when you click on accounts here,
you are going to see that the account information is registered in Nigeria. Do you see it? Okay. And then when you go to balance, you can see that even the balance is also in Nigerian balance. So this is how you can
follow me for more smart TikTok hacks. If you want a video on how to monetize your TikTok,